Fixit Fingers Woodworking. Today, some exciting news, well for me at least anyway. If you've been watching this channel for any length of time or picked pretty much any random video, you might have heard this word a few times. Kreg stuff. And looking before you on the table set up today, that there's a bit of a theme going on here. I have loved the Kreg brand pretty much since Steve Ramsey introduced it to me very early in my woodworking career. A K4 is pretty much the first thing that I bought outside of my basic power tools. And over the years, I've done a number of reviews and how-tos, and generally I just love using the Kreg Gear on the majority of projects that I build because they are designed and tailored towards backyard DIY hacks like myself who are more interested in getting things done than learning more traditional sort of woodworky things. Now, I am hopefully going to improve my skills on the hand tools thing as we go along, but from day to day, this is the sort of woodworking that I like to do and that Carbotech would like me to share a little bit more with you. So in December, January and February of this Australian summer, I'm going to knock up 3 projects, which were kind of on the cards anyway, so it's worked quite well. We're going to do 1 project for the home, 1 for the garden, and of course, the big one for the workshop, and they will be increasing in complexity, primarily trying to use my Blue tools as much as possible, but not actually reviewing them or giving you how-tos per se. It's literally them asking me to make some fun stuff, showing people how this equipment can be used in your workshop. So I'm really excited. It's the first sponsorship that I've been asked to do here on Fixit Fingers, and I hope it sits well with you guys because, as you can probably tell, I have enjoyed this gear. I paid for all this gear with my own money, and because of those works is why I've been asked to demonstrate them to you. Now, I will have other content coming up over the next 3 months too, but they're 3 projects to look out for. As part of that launch and as part of the deal, I'd also like to announce that I am now a Carbotech store affiliate, meaning while I sadly can't give you guys a discount just yet, if you look on any of my videos that I'm using Carbotech and specifically Kreg-based tools, you're going to see links below. If you see my Amazon links for Kreg stuff in America, this is similar, and I'm really chuffed because in Australia, this gear isn't readily available on Amazon, and I have always linked to Carbotech, but now if you make a purchase through that Carbotech link of any gear, not just Kreg Gear, I get a small kickback for driving the traffic towards them. I've got complete creative freedom on this, and of course I am allowed to speak my mind about anything that I don't like, and if you know me, I will tend to do that. But going forward, I'm glad to have this partnership for the summer, and I hope you enjoy the series of videos as they come out. If you get any Kreg questions, by all means, throw them down in the comments. And one last little tip that I can give now, it hasn't been widely advertised, but if you are lucky and you go down to your local Bunnings big box store, a lot of them are now starting to stock Blue tools. At very least, when you run out of pocket screws that you need for that project that absolutely must be done this weekend, you no longer have to order online or try and find a Carbotech or other supplier that may not be as convenient to you as the big green shed. And that is pretty darn exciting too. Not that I would rather you order through my Carbotech link, of course, but if you need to, go to Bunnings and you could be able to sort yourself out of a pickle. That's all for this video, guys. Pretty much, I'll give you a very quick sneak peek. The first project looks like this. There will be SketchUp plans eventually, and it's going to utilize this. How? You have to come back next week and find out. But it is for the home upstairs. I'll catch you then, and thank you for all the support that has led to this opportunity for me, and I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I'm going to. Catch you soon.